Take us from mediation, negotiation is not working. Then where do we go?
Yeah, sure. So, first of all, mediation is a confidential process. It's a voluntary process, and it helps parties resolve disputes mutually without going to trial. Some attorneys don't want to go to trial. You have attorneys who are trial dogs. You have attorneys who want to settle. I could find myself enjoying both. I think not all cases deserve to go to trial. Um, and so I do think and believe in that. And it does matter in the end. So when you have that case that's ripe for mediation, you look at who's involved. You're going to have a neutral third party involved. That's called your mediator. They're going to be able to guide that discussion. Then you have an understanding that the mediator doesn't make decisions. They don't take sides, hence, that's why they're a neutral party. Their job is to help both parties communicate and understand each other's positions and explore possible solutions. Some of these mediators have law licenses, most of them. And so they're able to understand the law and help you get to the point in where you want to be. They've seen the same type of cases. They've seen the value, the case value is what we call it. And they help you come up with a number that both parties can reach. But no, neither party is going to be happy when it's mediation. That it doesn't mean you're getting what you want, but you are coming to a mutual acceptable settlement. And so each party and their attorney, if represented, which I highly recommend, you have an attorney in mediation, that they participate and they have opportunity to present their perspective. And it's more of an informal, especially nowadays in 2025, a lot of mediations are Zoom. Most of mine occur via Zoom. I do have a
Mm.
sprinkle of in person, um, but it begins with joint sessions, where the mediator explains the process. Both sides have they you can outline your positions to a certain extent. You might not want to divulge everything in a mediation setting, and you might want to get it all out. But ultimately, the goal is to reach a settlement agreement. All the discussions are confidential, can't be used later in court if the case can't settle. And let's say if there's no settlement during mediation, but we might have gotten close, the mediator, excuse me, would normally do what's called like a proposal. And you get they or what they think the case should settle for, and then that's another opportunity to come back to each other and have a discussion on that number. If you reach that agreement, it's a binding settlement contract. You notify the court and you get out of there.